Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up your Zendesk account. So first of all, and as always guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your device and then open any kind of browsers. For example, I am using Google Chrome. Now we go to the URL section and search for Zendesk, just like so. And here what I need you to do guys is click on this website. So let me just change the language real quick. Okay, here I will choose US English. And here we go. So now what you have to do is click on sign in. And from here you can start your free trial. So basically you have here to put your free Zendesk trial work email. So here I put my email. So use your work email smoothly. Next, here your name and last name. So I can put, for example, here something like so, something like so. And here you have to put your phone number. So, for example, we can go to like temporary phone number and we can find actually something around here. For example, this one. And I will copy this and I will just go here and put it over here. Next, here I will put my company name. So, right Riot Games, for example, numbers of employees over like 1049. What are you solving as customer services requests, engages leads, etc. So you can choose whatever you like, and here you just have to put your password. So something around that will do the work. I have to change my language to French, and here I will just do something around that. So now, as you can see, my account has been created. I will only need now to verify my email, and just like so, I have created my first Zendesk account. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.